If you've fallen in love with everything Princess House and you want more, this is the video for you. This is how you can join Princess House as a consultant and not only get discounts on the products that you want for your personal use, but earn money as well. My name is Thelindabradley, and I've been proudly representing Princess House for over 40 years. The company has been in business since 1963. So let me show you what it's like to be a Princess House consultant and how you get started. When you first join the company, there is a starter set that you get, which gives you all of the things that you need to start your business, including products, catalogs, specials, and training. So let me show you the kit. The first item in our kit is a 10-inch nonstick skillet, perfect for you to use every day and be able to show your customers as well. Along with the skillet, you're going to get one of our silicone spatulas, which is great for your nonstick cookware. For your prep work, you're going to get our bamboo cutting board. This one is special because it has down the sides the 2 strips of silicone, doesn't slip. And you're going to get our 5-inch Santoku knife. These knives are German inspired. You can see that they're full tang. They have 1 piece of steel that they're made from. They'll never snap in half. They're perfectly balanced for your hand. And each one also comes with the sheath, or of course you can put it in a knife block. You're also going to get our soup and more container, which is made out of borosilicate glass with the silicone on the edge. And it also has the vent at the top, which is great for soups. You can use it for overnight oats and many other things. One of the most popular collections that we have is our Vita Sana collection. This is a 2.5 quart size. These are the stainless steel pieces that have that special seal at the top. And what that does is allows you to cook without any extra fats or oils. It basically steams your food. It's the very healthy way to cook. It holds in 79% of your nutrients and cooks 29% faster. One of my favorite items, and I know you're going to love it as well, is our 4-in-1 immersion blender. It's a great item because it doesn't take up a lot of room in your kitchen, but it does many things. So the first attachment is a masher. They're super easy to change. When you want one to a different one, you just twist it, take it off, take the new one, and twist it on. And that's how easy it is. And this one is a blender. It also comes with the whisk, which is great for eggs, pancakes, whipped cream, and it does also have a beaker. And the fourth piece is our mini food processor. I love this for chopping vegetables, and it's also great for nuts when you're baking. So that's our starter kit as a brand new consultant. If you were to buy everything full price, it would cost you over $600. But as a new consultant, you get the discount price of just $199. Now, there are 3 ways to get your starter kit. Number 1, you can pay it in full, $199. When you pay your kit in full, it'll get shipped to you immediately, and you'll also have immediate access to all of your online and digital tools. You'll also be able to have the opportunity to order additional samples of products at discounted rates. The second way is to put a $75 deposit down. When you do that, your kit will still be shipped to you right away, and you will still have immediate access to all of your online tools. And once your kit is paid in full, you will then be able to purchase additional samples. And the third way is to start with $0 down. You can actually start Princess House for no money out of pocket. And what will happen then is you'll get immediate access to all of your online materials. Once you send in $750 in order, your kit will then be shipped to you. And once your kit is paid in full, you will also be able to order samples. If you're ready to start now, go ahead right to my website, www.princesshouse.com/lbradley, and click Start Now. You'll see my name, Linda Bradley, Cherry Hill, New Jersey, and I'm your recruiter. We have no territorial restrictions in Princess House, so you can do business anywhere in the United States. And even for you joining my group, it doesn't matter where you live. You don't have to live close to me. I have consultants all over the United States. What's most important when you're picking a trainer and a manager and a group to be in is that it's somebody that you relate to, that will help you, and to give you the advice and guidance that you need. With Princess House, every show and order that you submit results in profits being sent to you. And depending on how much time you put into the business, depends what you get out of it. We always have prizes and contests for everybody, customers, hostesses, and consultants. So let me show you one of our welcome gifts. Right now, as a brand new consultant with Princess House, when you submit your very first party and send in at least $750 in orders by April 18th, you will get this as your welcome gift. And this is our mandolin. It's a very highly sought after item and it's valued at over $140. And I have a huge surprise for you. This is our brand new white and gold blender. It's not even in the regular catalog. It's just offered as a special. It's $639 value. And as a brand new consultant, when you start your Princess House business now and send in your first $1,500 in order, you will get this as a free gift. $639 value. And you will earn $450. So if you have ever considered joining Princess House, now is the time. These are just two of the many gifts that Princess House has in store for you. I'll try to answer some of the most popular questions. Number one, are there quotas? As long as you submit a $350 order every 12 weeks, you will continue to stay active with Princess House. And even if you go inactive, your website stays active for 2 years. So you'll still get paid on any orders that come in. Number two, does the website cost money? Princess House is an incredible company to work for, and our website comes free. It does not cost us any money at all. Number three, how can I get business? The best way to spread the word of Princess House is to start with your family and friends. Let everybody know that you've joined this wonderful company and the products that we have. One of the first things that I'll do when you join my team is to train you and teach you all the ways to do this. You can also use social media, which gives us a wide range of people. You don't have to beg anybody to buy our products. There's lots of people out there that love to cook and love to entertain and love what Princess House has. Number four, are there any monthly fees? The answer is no. Once you join Princess House with your starter kit, that's the only cost that you have. Once a year on your anniversary, we have a $25 reinvestment fee, and that's it. Number five, what if you don't like it? The worst that's going to happen is you're going to start, you're going to decide that you don't like it, and then you're going to stop. Your kit is yours to keep. We even have a money-back guarantee that you can send the kit back if you don't want it. You haven't lost anything. The company hasn't lost anything. It's a win-win situation. Princess House allows you to grow your business as high and strong as you want. You can introduce other people into Princess House, and you can grow into a team leader. A team leader helps their group, helps to train them and guide them, and we receive commissions on our own personal sales as well as our group sales. Right now, there are so many people cooking from home more than ever before. Restaurant prices have gone up, and so people are staying home. They need high quality products that are going to help them save time and money in the kitchen and last the test of time. Princess House offers deep discounts to their customers, their hostesses, and their consultants, and it's a great time for you to be involved. You can screenshot this, and you'll always have a way to get a hold of me to ask any questions that you have. Let this be your time to try something new and see if it's been the missing link in your life.